Miss Denikini Davis, Tommy and Mahoney Cicada. Unfortunately, that's all the art that I basically know because I studied art for GCSE, but unfortunately I failed. I am part of a 4-people family. It's me, my sister Tony, and my mum and dad. My bigger family would be my friends such as Carla, Ashleen, and Edel. Edel is the only one within the 4 of us that actually knows how to properly talk art.
What's my dul mé ar bhí mé san níoscail agus an sin thu mé go dtí an bonscail ar dul mé níos fearr agus an sin thu mé go dtí an céide ar rinn mé GCSE agus fear mé star agus inis tá mé deanú A-level sa Gaeilge agus is brean mé bailm an deanú Gaeilge san onscail ag tá Gaeilge mo chuí agus is grala mé.
So yeah, that's cool. Like, we won't know how to do that. But hopefully someday that'll be part of my identity and who I am and I can carry it on.